everyone. This is Dina Ramadan Ukasha from Gaza. I'm 25 years old. I own Masaq Educational Center in Jabalia camp, which was completely destroyed by Israeli occupation. The center was not a part of my life. It was my entire life, and now I lost it.
In fact, life here is very difficult. We don't have anything, no clean water, no food, we lack life. Actually, the tent is very simple. I provide everything I can for my students. We study together, play and sing. We do everything we can to reduce suffering. Children study in a tent under the hot sun, in very harsh conditions. They don't have the resources to study. They sit on the ground. They don't have any tools. But despite all that, they endure everything for the sake of education. Yes, of course. The children suffer great trauma because of all the fear they have experienced. The war greatly affected their psychology, which led to decline in their educational ability. We do educational and recreational activities away from traditional teaching methods. I try to reduce their suffering as much as possible. Yes, we discussed this before, and the children's responses were truly full of hope and love for life, despite everything they had suffered. One of them hoped to return home and see his friends, and the other hoped to return to his school and see his teachers, whom he missed. In fact, I don't know, but we hope that the end will be near, that peace will remain in my city, and that our beautiful life that we longed for will return.